right, I'll try my best. Thank you. I love you too. I'm very shocked and I'm still shaking. I couldn't have done this without all of you staring at me right now. I love you all so much. I wouldn't be the teacher I am without you. I wouldn't be pushing myself to be better outside of school without you. You inspire me every day to come in as my best self, and I'm my happiest when I'm here with all of you. Thank you. I'm so lucky to have found this school as my home 8 years ago, and to have people ask if I have kids, and I say yes, I have 670 children, and they're all in front of me right now. And I also just couldn't have done it without not only my students, whom I love, but also my teammates and our leadership and the people who believe in me and believe in you every single day. So this is really for us. It's not just for me. It's our award. So thank you so much.